Read disclaimer carefully before taking any decision. Appreciate our efforts with like button. It feels valued and drives us to do our best.
We are going to do a full breakdown on Enphase Energy stock predictions on Enphase Energy stock for July 6, 2021. We are going to share our opinions with you on the possible price action may occur. This Enphase Energy stock analysis will take into account the Enphase Energy stock new today as well as past Enphase Energy stock news. We highly recommend pulling up the latest chart of Enphase Energy stock so that we can follow along with our Enphase Energy stock forecast. We will provide you with some of the critical information that you may potentially need to plan out your trades on Enphase Energy stock. Being able to potentially predict the price movement of Enphase Energy stock, you may be in a better position to possibly time your entry and exit. Enphase Energy is an American NASDAQ-listed energy technology company headquartered in Fremont, California. Enphase designs and manufactures software-driven home energy solutions that span solar generation, home energy storage and web-based monitoring and control. Enphase has shipped about 30 million solar microinverters, primarily into the residential and commercial markets in North America, Europe, and Australia. Microinverters convert the direct current power from the solar panel, DC, directly into grid-compatible alternating current, AC, for use or export. Enphase was the first company to successfully commercialize the microinverter on a wide scale, and remains the market leader in their production. Thank you for spending a part of your day to be here. If you are not a part of Wall Street Ruler community yet, just click that little red subscribe button and then click on bell icon. Select all, it's free and you will never miss an episode. In this video we will get you Enphase Energy expected target price. To understand Wall Street Ruler vision, check out channel playlist and also watch out video description. Enphase Energy pioneered the concept of a microinverter. The basic idea behind a microinverter is to convert, manage and monitor energy per panel, rather than the entire array of panels. This reduces the size of the inverter that can be placed on the back of the panel, producing an AC panel. Such a system can be connected directly to the grid, or to each other to produce larger arrays. This contrasts with the traditional central inverter approach, where many panels are connected together in series on the DC side and then run en masse to a single larger inverter. In the aftermath of the 2001 telecoms crash, Martin Fornage of Sarant Corporation was looking for new projects. When he saw the low performance of the string inverter for the solar array on his ranch, he partnered with another Sarant engineer, Raghu Bhullar, and they formed PVI Solutions. The two tapped Paul Nye to be CEO at the end of 2006, and Fornage, Bhullar and Nye formed Enphase Energy Incorporated in early 2007. Thereafter, the first prototype microinverter was developed. With approximately $6 million in private equity by 2008, Enphase released its first product, the M175, to moderate success. Their second-generation product, 2009's M190, was far more successful, with sales of about 400,000 units in 2009 and early 2010. Enphase quickly grew to 13% market share for residential systems by mid-2010, aiming for 20% by year-end. They shipped their 500,000th inverter in early 2011, and their 1 millionth in September of the same year. The third-generation M215 was released in the summer of 2011, and had sold over 1 million of all models in 2011. Bringing their installed base to 1.55 million inverters and 34.4% market share. A fourth generation, the M250, was released in 2013. As of 2012, their inverters captured 53.5% market share for residential installations in the US, which represents 72% of the entire world microinverter market. This makes them the sixth largest inverter manufacturer, of any kind, worldwide. Enphase has experimented with the European market starting in France and offering sales in France, Belgium, the Netherlands, Luxembourg, and Italy. However, they had considerably more success in the UK, and later, Australia. As of 2013, approximately 20% of their sales is outside North America. In 2012 and 2013, Enphase experienced increasing pricing pressure due to rapidly falling prices in the inverter market. Market leaders faced market share erosion in the face of newer companies, most of them from the Far East. However, in 2019, Enphase remains the leading supplier of solar microinverters globally. Exactly a year ago Enphase Energy stock was at $50.16. Now Enphase Energy current price is $186. which means Enphase Energy 270% in a year. And in 9 years went up, 2,439.65%. We can see bright future of Enphase Energy Company. First target price $316.50. Second target price $444.45. Products: an Enphase M190 mounted and grounded. All Enphase microinverters are completely self-contained power converters. In the case of a rooftop PV inverter, the unit will convert DC from a single solar panel into grid-compliant AC power, following the maximum power point of the panel. Since the S-series microinverters, for example S280, all Enphase microinverters have been both advanced grid function and bidirectional power capable. This allows a microinverter to produce power in the DC-AC direction, for solar applications, or in the DC-AC and AC-DC directions, for battery use. Thank you for watching this video. If this video is informative for you, like this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Check out description to get more details about Wall Street Ruler. How you can make money through online investment platform.